Hey there, my hackerdoodles, and welcome to this La Hacker ing majig. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to hack DaVinci 17, but do not use this. I installed it from a site, and it's like, oh, here's this file, and I'm like, oh no, it does that, so it's kind of sketch, like 100% sketch. It's an application, do not trust it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and when I'm come over here, I'm going to look at the instructions, and it says uninstall previous versions. That's fine. I don't have previous versions of this, but if you have previous versions of this, you want to go and install it. Step 2, turn off antivirus. Seems pretty normal because you got to actually turn off antivirus, and you want to make sure to turn off real-time protection. To do that, blah blah blah, and that can be found in Windows protection, and then what I just showed you. Okay, step 3, install program, don't run it. If run it, then quit. Copy files from crack folder, paste it in the folder. Done, enjoy. So what I think I'm gonna do is probably install the... So I'm gonna look for a download of DaVinci 17. I'm gonna see if they have a free trial version, see if it works with the free trial. Download now. Studio version Windows. Download only. Download DaVinci. Save a file. Save the file there. Cancel the second one. It's gonna take 13 minutes, 10 minutes, 9 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Alright. Seems like it's going pretty fast. I'll come back when it's done. Alrighty then. Okay, let's see. That was pretty good. So I'm gonna go here, open this folder up. There we go. Install this. This doesn't seem like it won't cause any viruses or something stupid. There we go. See, now it's extracting. It's doing its thing. It's not popping up any really weird windows. Blackmagic raw. It's cute. Just install everything. I don't see why not. Let this install, let it do its thing. Now, you just want to go through all this and click next and all that. And back to installing. Well, actually, never mind. I don't think I have to skip this because it's pretty fast. I'm going to get this all set up for you guys, and that will be closing this out, going over here, taking this notepad, making it smaller because I'm going to be risking to get by the X side. Go like this, make this a little bit smaller. Let's find this over here, over here. Now enjoy, blah blah blah. Okay, so turn off antivirus, done that. Install program. Don't run it. If running, then quit. So we install program, and we do not run it. Finish. Copy files from folder. So it's talking about these. Create a new folder. Installation complete. I'm gonna throw all this into this file right here. Then I'm gonna go over here, and I'm not gonna run it. I'm gonna go to more, go to open file location, right click this, and open file location again over here. And now you're in the files location. Now I'm going to take this stuff in this folder, select, what is this? Paste crack files here. I'm gonna copy this again. Go here, paste it there. Alright, the copy to this folder, skip, cancel. I have no clue what's going on. Shoot. What if I just copy this, paste that there, replace file destination, continue. That's exactly what you want to do. Oh, this is just a shortcut to the place. I see. And then now you want to, I'm just going to copy this and then paste this in here, replace file destination. So really the only two things that you're replacing is this one, and this one's a shortcut to give you the fast and quick way to go in there. So there's that. Okay, cool. And then now if I just open it up, it should work. Skip tour. Skip and start right now. Looks like it's going pretty okay. Resolve audio effects. DaVinci Resolve, skip that. And there we go. It looks like it's pretty good and it's working. Thank you for watching, everybody. And I appreciate that you stuck around this long. Now, if you want the link to the website where I downloaded these files, it is right on the screen, bottom. There you go. That's the site. Also, I do not recommend downloading the file. By the file, I mean the exe file. I just recommend installing the crack, and that's about it. And then go to the actual website and download the trial version from there. And that's all I gotta say. Have a good one.